It's not always easy when you're trying to provide for your family, especially if you're a single mom or dad. You know, it reminds me of a time when I was younger and I caught the chicken pox. Then my brother and my sister did, and I was out of school for like 2 weeks. And then after my 2 weeks, my sister got it, then my brother got it, and my mom ended up being out of work for an entire month. And she actually lost her job because of that, because she had to be there for us. Fortunately, she didn't catch chickenpox, but it's crazy how things happen, and it can just take one little thing that just knocks you completely off. And that's why in this time, this day and age that we live in, it's important that you establish additional income streams to safeguard your family, whether it be a financial emergency or whether it be some type of economic crisis. So if you want to learn how your family can safeguard yourself, go to sideincomewealth.com to get the blueprint on how you can start your own online business to be able to work from home and generate thousands of dollars each month with a simple 2-hour workday. Hope to see you soon, and if you have any questions, please reach out, comment below with any questions or concerns, or if you just want to share some information about how this video has been helpful to you. Hope you have a phenomenal day.